here is the packaging to the Vaporesso Target 80 kit. Inside you'll get a user manual, an anti-counterfeit label, and also a warranty card. You're given 2 coils, a 0.2 ohm and a 0.3 ohm. You're also given a braided Type-C charging cable. You of course get your pod. You of course get your pod with the 510 adapter, and you get your mod. So here's a closer look at the Vaporesso Target 80 kit. We're going to start this review at the top and work our way down. So starting at the top with the tank itself, it's held together by magnets, and of course you are given this 510 adapter as well. But looking at the pod or the tank, it's a top filling device. All you need to do is pinch and twist, and literally you just need to twist the tiniest amount, just that, and that's it. It comes apart. As you can see, we have a filling hole. We also have a hole to let out any air pressure, but this is primarily your filling hole, which is plenty big enough for most of your bottles. It has a 5 ml capacity outside the EU or a 2 ml capacity inside the EU. It also has pressure fitted coils, which of course we're given 2 in the box. Now you just need to slide this guy on. It's held together by magnets, and as you can see, we have the adjustable airflow here, so we can have it fully open, half closed, fully closed off, or anything we adjust on one side is going to be mimicked on the other. And if we pinch and twist, we can obviously take this off because this is just a 510 adapter. So you can use this tank on any other mod, and then equally any other tank with this mod. And now taking a closer look at the mod, starting at the top, we have this gold-plated spring-loaded 510 connection, and the widest tanks you can fit on here is about 24, maybe even at a push 25 millimeters, but only on this stainless steel circle. It can of course be slightly bigger with this orange sort of metal, but obviously there will still be some visible overhang. Moving down, we have our fire button, simply 5 clicks on, 5 clicks off. We also have up, down, and mode button, and also our USB charging port, which is Type-C, and it makes like a little face, which is kind of cute. And it charges the internal battery, which is 3000 mAh. On the outside, as you can see, we've got this pretty cool sort of design that sort of shimmers when I just move it throughout the light, which is indented. It is bubbly sort of feeling. It is indented all of these little grooves, and that's on both sides. Of course, we have Vaporesso. At the bottom, we have some holes for battery venting, and that's pretty much the mod. Let's quickly look at the screen. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It'll be on Vaporesso, and then we're given the screen. And as you can imagine, when you scroll, it goes all the way up to 80 watts, hence why it's called the Vaporesso Target 80. And of course we're given all the other information with seconds of last puff, puffer counter, voltage, ohmage, and also what mode we're on with battery life.